Welcome to the channel everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lovely, delicious and healthy tea. And this, you can have it before bed or you can have it in the morning. And this is going to be sea mass. Some people call it Irish mash. They're the same one. To make this lovely tea, I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to put it into a pot and I will be boiling it. But first we need to know the health benefit of the Irish mash, what it's good for, what can it do, how can it help your body. So what I'll be doing here, I'm just going to take about this and put it in the pot. So this can give me a nice cup of tea. You don't need a lot, probably about this. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So about that in a pot. So with this, I'll be adding probably about 2 cups of water in this. So that should be enough for the time being. I'm going to add a bit of cinnamon stick in this. And for this lovely, delicious, healthy seaweed, or whatever you want to call it, sea moss or Irish moss, this thing is very healthy for you. It's good for your health. It's good for weight loss. And also, it's good for speed up your metabolism system. It's good to reduce calories also, and also to improve fiber in your body. This even help you to support like who suffer with thyroid. So if you have thyroid health issue, sea moss is very good for that. It's good for weight loss also. That's one of the reasons you should consume this on a regular basis. And if you can tolerate the thickness of it, because sometimes when you boil it, it gets a bit thick. But when you make it, just try to dilute it to how you want to drink it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll be adding like a couple, because what I'm going for is, you know, the minerals and the nutrient for it. So I have some Himalaya salt here. And we're going to drop some in this. So with this, we're going to let it boil up. And then I'm going to take it, show you exactly what to do with it. Because I have about 2 more ingredients which I need to add to this. And it's very healthy. And it's something you're going to love. So now, when I finish this, I'm going to have a lovely cup. You know, it's night now, so I'm going to have this before I go to bed. Help me to relax. And if you want to top it off a little bit more, if you have some banana skin, you know, or banana peel, they're the same thing. Just go ahead and put some in it. Just chop it up and put it in it. So while I'm boiling, I'm just going to give him a bit of stir. You see, while the sea moss is boiling, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some honey to this. All this is personal preference. But what you have to know with honey, like good quality honey, have good antibacterial properties in it. That's why you see sometime in those old days, people don't really sick much. Bit of lemon in this. Just a squeeze. So what this do help build up your immune system also. So this is still boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off now. So just go ahead after you leave it to relax on the stove and just pour him straight in. Just going to give him a bit of taste. Wow. Very nice. Just going to put a bit more lemon in this. Now it's better. Ladies and gentlemen, if this is of any help to you guys, if you enjoy this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Thanks for watching.